Hi, it's David from A1 Copiers again. I've got an instructional video on how to change a drum if you need to replace it because it's due to be replaced or you're getting lines on your print. So one of the things that you may notice is a drum cartridge R2 needs to be replaced soon. So we're going to talk you through how to do that. But also, as I said, if you've got lines, that can also be a reason why your drum needs replacing. Alright, so this is how we're going to change the drum on a Mark VII or a Mark VI Fuji Xerox. This is how we change the drum. Front door, that releases from the lock position to the unlock. These two tabs get squeezed in simultaneously. That unit will now fall away comfortably. And in this case, we're looking at the R2, which is the cyan drum. And we're going to just push the release clip there, and that will then freely slide out, allowing us to set that aside. And then we can put our new drum in. So, don't touch the drum, it's a sensitive coat. Keep it out of the light, don't leave it sitting in the light because that will damage it as well. So we're going to release all this covering. We're going to keep that nice and square and level, and then we're just going to gently, slowly slide that in, nice and smoothly. When it gets to here, we might just give it a bit of a lift up, and that will then lock in to there. Release lock our developer unit back in, and then actually before we put the front cover back on, we're going to clean the LED. So this little wand that sits in the front door here releases, and then we can just slide that in and out to clean the LED, which generally that's because you've got a white line or a depletion. You can do all four of them if you want. We'll just do the one today. So that goes back in. Lock it, close the door, and then the machine will then run and you have a new drum. That's it.